Hey everyone, I'm David. We're at Zebra Technologies headquarters, and today we're going to be taking a look at the PrintKiosk mounting accessory. Come on with me, let's take a look. As you can see, Zebra's PrintKiosk is an easy to install accessory that connects the power of Zebra's computing, scanning, and printing for the ultimate self-service kiosk experience.
Let's take a step back. Before we see the PrintKiosk in action, let's walk through the solution components. The CC600 and CC6000 Customer Concierge Kiosk provides you with a high-definition, multi-touch display available in either 10-inch, as shown, or 5-inch. The kiosk has an Android operating system in addition to a built-in SE4710 scan engine for the CC6000 and the SE2100 scan engine for the CC600 with 1D and 2D scanning capabilities. The PrintKiosk mounting bracket provides you with a facial plate that secures your CC600 and CC6000 Concierge Kiosk in place. The dual ball and socket joint is adjustable for optimal viewing. Power and data cables are connected and routed through the arm assembly down to the base assembly. The base assembly is a sturdy metal base that conceals your power supplies and cables. Your preferred ZD series desktop printer sits on top of this metal base, or you may choose to secure it via the screws available within the kit. In addition, the base assembly can be optionally fastened to the countertop, which is supported by the Kensington slot mounting hole, compatible with the Kensington security locks and cables. The PrintKiosk mounting accessory is compatible with both ZD400 and ZD600 desktop printers in both 2-inch and 4-inch models. This enables you to print labels, tags, receipts, tickets, and wristbands. You choose your desired Zebra printer and Customer Concierge Kiosk to create your custom solution configurations. The accessory includes the tools to assemble the solution on site. This solution can be used across retail, hospitality, healthcare, grocers, and transportation and logistics. Use cases can include visitor check-ins, as shown here, food allergen labeling, self-service returns, BOPIS, and shipping, just to name a few. It's as easy as scanning your barcode, allowing the kiosk to process, and receiving your label. Thanks for joining us. For further information on the PrintKiosk mounting accessory, please visit zebra.com/accessories or your local Zebra sales rep for more details.